Hi, today we are going to learn how to configure restricted learning management system with sequenced videos using the list layout. The CM Video Lessons plugin gives the ability to organize videos into lessons to create a video-based learning environment on your WordPress site. The plugin has three layouts to represent the LMS: playlist, tiles and list. List layout works a little bit differently than two other layouts, so it demands a different way of configuring. We are also going to make an LMS with sequential videos that will open one by one depending on the progress. We suppose that you already know how to import videos and create lessons and courses. If not, please check our another video about it before start. First thing we need to do is to create a page that is needed for displaying all courses when we use the list layout. Navigate to CM Video Lessons Manager Pro, Settings, General tab. Find there the option Courses page. There are two ways to create needed page. First, create the page manually and place there a short code that you can see on the screen. After that, you need to choose this page in the drop-down Courses page. Second, choose in the drop-down Courses page the option Create New Page, and when you click the Save button under the settings, the page will be created automatically. As we are going to make the LMS with sequenced videos that are unlocking one by one depending on the progress, we need to restrict our courses for logged-in users only. For that, we need to do a couple of things. On the same setting tab, scroll down to the section Access. We need there the following options. Who can watch videos? Choose the option Logged-in users to restrict the courses. Login page URL. Here you need to put the URL of a page with a login form where non-logged-in users will be redirected when trying to access the course. You need to prepare that page in advance. Last section that we need in the General tab is Restrictions. There are two important options. Enable video sequence. When the option is enabled, all videos in the course will be locked, except the first one. So to unlock new video, the user should watch last unlocked video. Enable videos mark as complete button. This option is not obligatory. If enabled, the user will be able to manually mark videos as completed to unlock next video. Have a note that the video can be marked as completed only in case if all conditions for unlocking the next video are met. We will talk about these conditions further in this video. Don't forget to save the changes by clicking the button Save. By default, when you restrict videos with the option Enable Video Sequence, at the beginning all users have only one first video of each lesson unlocked. It can be changed manually by the admin for each user. To do this, navigate to Users, All Users. Hover on Needed User and click Edit. Scroll down to the section CM Video Lesson Manager Pro. There you can find the list of all your lessons. 1 means that only first video is unlocked in this lesson. When the user watches videos in the lesson, these values will increase. The admin can change these values. For example, if we change 1 to 5, then 5 first videos will be unlocked for the user in this lesson. You can reset this counter specifically for each user by clicking the button Reset. Or you can reset them for all users at once in the plugin settings on the General tab under the Restrictions section, using the option Reset All Courses Lessons. When you make some changes, don't forget to click the button Update User. Important! In the list layout, if the course consists of a few lessons, there can be unlocked first videos only in the lesson that goes first in the course. To unlock next lesson and its videos, the user should first finish previous lesson. Now we are going to enable the crucial option for the list layout. Navigate to CM Video Lessons Manager Pro, Settings. Head to the Appearance tab. In the option Default Videos Layout, choose List. The rest of the options in this tab are mostly related to another two layouts, Playlist and Tiles. A few options that can affect the list layout are Show Video Description, Show Lesson Description, Show Course Description, Show Video Note Text Area, and Show Icons for Documents. When you finish configuring here, click the button Save. Now let's go to our lessons to configure conditions for unlocking videos and other things. Navigate to CM Video Lessons Manager Pro, Lessons. Hover on the needed lesson and click Edit. You can find the meta box Unlock Attributes on the right side of the page, where you need to define the conditions for unlocking videos. There you need define how much time in percentage the user should watch the video to unlock next video. The minimum percent that you can set is 5. To disable the percentage restriction, set it to 0. Define when the video will be unlocked. Set the amount of days that should pass after unlocking current video to unlock the next one. Set this value to 0 to disable the days limitation. Have a note that if both options are enabled, they will work together. It means to unlock the next video, both conditions must be met. The user should watch the required minimum time of a video and there should pass enough amount of days. Another useful meta box is page attributes. By default, lessons in the course are ordered alphabetically by their titles. You can change the order manually by setting the index number in the order field. The lowest number appears first in the list of lessons. And of course, you can change the order of videos in the lesson by just dragging and dropping them in the needed place. When you finish editing the lesson, click the Update button. The same way you can configure each lesson. There is a set of front-end labels that you can edit or translate. Navigate to CM Video Lessons Manager Pro, Settings, Labels tab. You can see the labels actual for the list layout on the screen. The plugin also has a few email notification options, and one of them is actual for unlocking videos. Head to the Notifications tab. Scroll down to the section Video Unlock Notifications. This notification is sent to the user when new video unlocks for him. Here you need to configure the following. Enable or disable notifications for video unlock. Edit the email subject. You can use the placeholders that you can see on the screen for adding dynamic info. Edit the email body template. You can use the placeholders that you can see on the screen for adding dynamic info. When you finish editing notification, click the button Save. Now everything is configured, let's see what the user sees on the front end. Navigate to the courses page that we created at the beginning. The user can see there the list of all courses. If he is not logged in, the courses will be restricted for him. It will be marked by the lock icon on the courses. Attempt to access will direct the user to the login page that we've prepared in advance. When the user is logged in, he will see the progress bar for each course. Let's access one of the courses. Let's talk more detailed about the elements. Back to course. The button that gets the user back to the list of all courses. Course information. This area shows the course description, attached files, and the progress of watching the course. Hide or show completed lessons and hide or show completed videos. Clicking on these buttons will hide or show lessons or videos that the user has already completed from the list. Completed videos are marked as crossed out. Lessons information. Here the user can see the list of the course lessons, the title and description of each lesson, attached to the lesson files, and list of videos of each lesson. The user can choose between unlocked videos to watch. Locked videos are marked with the lock icon. Unlocked videos are marked with a checkmark icon. Completed lessons are crossed out. Breadcrumbs. Here the user can see the breadcrumbs of current video and current course. Number of videos. Shows the number of the current video out of all videos in the current course. Status of the video. Here are possible two statuses. In progress, when the video is not completed yet, or complete, when the video is already completed. Navigation bar. Navigation buttons between unlocked videos, next video and previous video. Video information. Here the user can see the information about current video. Title, description, duration, how many % of the video is watched and attached to the video files. Video. The video itself. Video notes. The area where the user can make his notes to the current video. Mark complete. The user can click this button to complete the video. When the video is completed, the button disappears. Have a note that the user can't complete the video if he hasn't watched enough % of the video and not enough amount of days passed. This is in case if you define the relevant conditions. In that case, the user will see the message about necessity to watch required % of the video. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to configure restricted LMS with sequenced videos using list layout on your site. Thanks for watching the video.